Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Our good friend Charlene Patton joining us all the way down from Topeka with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Always a pleasure to have you here. And we've been doing some exciting recipes that are great for kids because summer school doesn't last all summer. They've got to still learn. It keeps them out of trouble, and it also gives them something incredible to eat, something healthy to eat. And number one thing, they're still learning without sometimes realizing they're learning.
Exactly. It's a fun way to learn. And we're doing all kinds of recipes this month at different steps. We showed the thrill of skill. I've got it here. But be sure when you call our office for recipes this month, Megan will include the thrill of skill. And this tells at what age kids can do different skills to help in the kitchen. And we have it starting out at age 2. So that's a fun way.
Get started fairly early.
That's right. This recipe is a strawberry surprise cupcake. I love it. It's such a fun recipe for kids. I've already made the cupcake here, but this cupcake is more like a sponge cake.
Okay.
It uses margarine in it and granulated sugar that you beat till it's nice and fluffy. And then we're going to alternately add our flour, baking powder, and a little bit of salt with a half a cup of vanilla soy milk. And I've got this here for you to show because this is, it says very vanilla on it, but this is such a great snack for kids during the summer. If you're going to the ballpark and you need something, keep that in the cooler. It also comes chocolate, and you can use that as a snack as well as for the cake. So after you bake the cupcakes, we're going to let them cool good, and then we're going to make a little indentation in here so that we can actually put a strawberry in there. Now I found this is actually a lettuce core, and it's plastic, so it's serrated, but it's easy for kids to use.
Yeah.
So you can do that. I'll let you do that one.
All right, let's
and
see
then
if
what we're going to do is put that strawberry, just push it down in there. Yeah, look at you. And if you don't have one of those, then just use a serrated plastic knife. Did you pull that out there?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if my hole's quite big enough, but that's all right.
And however your child does it, just push it in there. It's perfect. And then what we're going to do now is take a frosting. I love this frosting. It's so nice and creamy. It again uses our margarine, which is our soy ingredient, with 2 cups of powdered sugar. And then with that, I mixed in 1/4 cup of strawberry jelly or jam.
Okay.
And we're going to cover that strawberry up there with that. And if you want to make it it has a little vanilla in it too, but if you want to make it a little creamy, I'll do this for you and cover that up.
It's probably a good idea.
If you want to make it a little creamier, just add a little bit of the soy vanilla milk, and it doesn't take very much. 1 to 3 teaspoons is, just start out with 1 teaspoon if you want it. And then we put a strawberry on the top to decorate it a little bit. But then look here, when you open it up, cut that in, you've got that strawberry in the center. It makes a lovely dessert.
And that's why it's a strawberry surprise.
That's
you see the one on top, you do not see the one inside the cupcake.
That's right.
All right. And real quick, we did want to mention with the thrill of skill, you also have soy crayons, which is something very unique. They're just regular crayons. They're made with soy though. And the thing is the oil from just 1 bushel of soybeans can make about 2,100 crayons. A whole acre of soybeans can make over 82,000 of these, which is incredible.
Amazing.
And you can get those as well.
That's right. They're free this month. And if they call the Kansas Soybean office at 877-KS-SOYBEAN, Megan is going to send you the recipes. She's going to send you activities to do with the kids and the crayons, so you'll have all kinds of things to do with your children this summer.
All right, Charlene, thanks so much for joining us. And of course, it'll be on our website as well later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.